Health benefits of macadamia nuts. Vitamin E. Pistachios offer some health advantages over macadamia nuts due to their vitamin E content. You need vitamin E to protect your cells from damage. It neutralizes toxic free radicals, which would otherwise cause genetic mutations that accelerate aging and contribute to disease. Pistachios contain 0.7 milligrams of vitamin E per ounce, or about 5% of your daily recommended vitamin E intake, according to the Linus Pauling Institute. Manganese. Macadamia nuts provide some health advantages over pistachios due to their higher manganese content. Manganese helps your body deposit new bone tissue, so that your skeleton can stay strong as you age. It also aids in wound healing, protects your cells from damaging free radicals and supports your metabolism. An ounce of nuts contains 1.2 milligrams of manganese, 2/3 of the recommended daily manganese intake for women and approximately half the daily manganese requirements for men. Pistachios contain much less manganese per serving, offering 0.3 milligrams per ounce. Antioxidants. Another health benefit of macadamia comes from their high flavonoid content. Flavonoids, which are found naturally in these plants, help to prevent cells from damage and protects from environmental toxins. These flavonoids convert into antioxidants in our body. These antioxidants search and destroy free radicals and protect our bodies from various diseases and certain types of cancer, which includes breast, cervical, lung, prostate and stomach cancer. Copper. Pistachios also offer a slight health advantage over macadamia nuts because they contain more copper. Copper helps activate enzymes responsible for keeping your tissues strong. It also helps you make neurotransmitters, the chemicals your brain cells use to send chemical signals. Getting enough copper also helps your body produce energy, and promotes healthy circulation by aiding in red blood cell production. An ounce of pistachios provides 370 micrograms of copper, or 41% of your daily copper intake requirements. Heart disease. Macadamia are 100% cholesterol-free and are highly beneficial to reduce cholesterol level. These nuts are rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, which are said to be cardioprotective by reducing cholesterol level and help to clean the arteries. Macadamia also lowers the level of triglycerides, which is a kind of body fat, and reduces the risk of coronary disease. Bone health. Phosphorus in macadamia plays a variety of roles, including bone and teeth mineralization, metabolism, absorption and transportation of nutrients. Calcium also helps in the formation of teeth and bones. Manganese in macadamia helps the body to deposit new bone tissue, so that the skeleton stays strong as you age. Omega-3 prevents osteoporosis and reduces the severity of arthritis. Weight loss. People usually avoid eating macadamia thinking that it is laden with fats and cholesterol. However, the fat in macadamia is monounsaturated fats, which promote weight loss. Macadamia nuts are rich in palmitoleic acid, and omega-7 fatty oil that provide building blocks for the enzymes and control the burning of fat and curb the appetite. Palmitoleic acid increases fat metabolism and reduces fat storage. Their fatty acids content makes them an extremely satisfying food, and you will need only a handful to feel satisfied. Proteins. Macadamias contain significant level of protein, which is an essential component of our diet and forms muscles and connective tissues in our bodies. Proteins are a part of our blood and act positively on our health. They also help to maintain the health of hair, nails and skin,